So this question is about gravitational potential V. How does it change along the distance from the surface of the Earth? So if you have a look at the D1 part in the data booklet equation, you will see the formula of it, like a negative G m over r. R is at the distance d here. This is just from the surface of the Earth, okay? And r here is actually the radius, like the distance from the core, okay? Like if we assume the whole Earth here have the center O, so if we got a position P at somewhere and we want to calculate the V potential at the position V, so the R distance will be from the O up to that point P, okay? So this will be OP here will be the R. But if it's just the distance D, then it's just from here to here, okay? So pay attention whenever they give you information like this. And basically, the important thing about this one you can see is also the negative here. So if you go with B, it is kind of good, right? Because we can still see that, oh, that should be some negative curve below. So we got the C and the D is not incorrect because it's a positive curve. We need something negative, so that's good. We can only go either A or B. So what makes the difference here? What the difference between these two? Yes, it's kind of, if you don't pay attention very well, you don't really see how different the curves is, right? So you see that this one, the way it's curved like this, and can you tell the curve here, the gradient, how it's changing, right? If you pay attention, this one kind of like changing really quickly here. The radians here change a lot, right? Compared to this one, it's like more gradually compared to this one. So actually, this one is a exponential curve. Let me write down. If you see that there's a very sudden change at the beginning, and then it just like not as much as it from the beginning here, this is a exponential, okay? So this one is actually a exponential curve. The same with this one as well. So for the exponential here, e to the x of something, in this case x is greater than 0, but with this one, e to the x here, it should be like x itself here is a negative 1, okay? So this one is like a negative potential curve, but this one is the inverse curve, okay? This is the inverse. Yes, I know, right? So basically that's just the difference, a slightly difference of the curve here, if you did notice that. Okay, thank you.